Yo, what's up producers, it's your Mikasa here, and in this video I'm about to show you how you can create some fire loops for Drake using only stock plugins. So let's go. As you can see, I opened here FL Keys, every FL Studio DAW has it, and I'm about to open piano roll. And the chord progression that I'm about to use, you can also find it here. Click here. So the chord is called minor 7th or 9th. You can use these chords by clicking here, or you can just follow me and I try to copy the melody, the notes I'm playing. So maybe I'm about to start with from the root note E, and maybe we can just start from like this. So okay, skip one note, plays, skip one note, plays, skip one note, plays. So this is like a basic of basic for a chord progression. Okay, I'm about to maybe adjust BPM maybe for 150. Okay, this sounds really fine for now. And now you can just do like this, adjust notes. So every note it's gonna sound more natural. Maybe you can just play it with the velocities. These are just details that can really be fire. Okay, let's play with this. So now we have like a mini chord progression here. It's very easy, very simple, and let's play it. So fire, right? So now I'm about to copy this here, and I'm about to change the root note here, maybe on C4, maybe this one down. Also, I'm about to go G4 to down and B4 down a little bit. So now let's hear how this sounds. Okay, it sounds really good. Let's see what will happen if we place D4 here. Okay, C4 much sounds better. Now maybe let's see if I can okay, let's now stick with this one what we have. Now I'm about to copy again this chord progression, and I'm about to change something here as well. Maybe I'm about to play B3 here. Maybe turn down the notes like this maybe. So let's check this one. Ooh, this sounds already fire. So I'm about to again copy the last chord I made and maybe change only one note here. Maybe D5 to C5, C sharp. Okay, let's hear this one. Okay, as you can see, it's very easy, very simple. Just place again, maybe looks like easy, but just like a play with your feeling, just whatever you feel it's right, just do it. Now I'm about just to cut this a little bit. Now I'm about to just play some counter notes here. So now what you can usually do is like a hold this, for cross progression, and maybe play somewhere note between here, right? So between the second chord, maybe something like this. Okay, sounds fire. I'm about just to adjust it to the 4-bar loop like this. Now let's back to the piano roll here. Maybe I can play some higher notes here. Something like this. Let's check it out. Oh, as you can see, it's really fire. I just added one more note here, A, to make it like a this chord even bigger. Now we are on 7th chord. Now, what you can just do, but I don't want to waste time right now. You can just play with those velocities. For example, you can hold everything here, and just like randomize it. And I'm about to turn on these higher notes here that I added here, like this. Now, if you have any VST that is that can make you like a super dope, you can add some vocals here in the background, and it's gonna be much fire. But now here comes the secret sauce. Now you export this loop, right? Okay, after you've done this, let's just cut this like this. Oh, sorry, my bad. Cut it like this, and now let's paste it. And now click on the exported loop. Right click here, open it audio editor, and it will open Edison, right? So now click here on the sample rate. Now choose the sample rate around 3 or 2K. Let's maybe 2.5, like a 250, 2.5. Now resample. Let's now hear it. This is gonna be like you can maybe do it with the EQ, but I think this is much better way. Ooh, this is pure vibe, right? So I like this. I very like this. Maybe Drake will steal this. Who knows? And let's just copy this, paste it like this. And now we can, as I said, you can put vocals over this one or maybe add more sounds here. But as you can see, we did it in very simple way with only stock plugins. And maybe you can add some effects. Maybe I'm about to add some reverb here, like this. Now you can just add counter notes and stuff like that. Okay, switch back here. Now what I always like to do is like a pitch down or pitch up the melody. So I'm about to maybe pitch it down a little bit, putting for a 150, 160. And now let's check it out. It's gonna be like a totally different vibe. This is the sauce. This is the sauce. Or you can pitch it down all the way like this. Oh yeah, it's gonna sound bad, right? So let's switch back. And maybe I can just play some drums here, just to hear how this beat will sound. So I'm about just to play some notes randomly. I won't focus on sound selection and stuff. I'm just about to hear and see how the drums would sound on this loop. So let me just find it. I'd have like this one right here, yeah. Okay, let's play this one has sound here. This kick here. As I said, just play some random sounds. Okay, that's it. Now, as you can see, maybe we can find some better sound selection here. But as you can see, this beat can be super fire. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. As you can see, it's really fire beats. It can be like a super fire. And of course, if you add some like more sounds here, maybe sub bass or some kind of different melody and stuff like that, it's gonna be much better. And the vocals will be perfect here. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you want to make me like a you want to make more videos like this, feel free to tell me comments below. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.